Hello, Namaste. I am Dr. Kotresh, science teacher, Government Model Higher Primary School, Chonur. Today we will discussing some characteristic of the planets and a star. First, what is the Milky Way? Here, illustration of the is a spiral Milky Way. Spiral Milky Way. The Milky Way or Akashaganga is a actually band of light in a sky which results from the combined light of many millions of the stars in our galaxy. In common uses of thought of the galaxy to which our sun belongs is called as the Milky Way. There is an all around 10 raised to 11 stars in our galaxy. Before that, first we should understand the difference between the planets and the star. Planets revolve around the star and reflected their light in our solar system. But the star is a self-luminous celestial body that have their own system are called as stars. Then we should learn about the what is the Big Crunch. A scientist believes that the universe is expanding and galaxies are moving apart. If the gravity of the all cosmetic material restrained the outward push enough, the expansion could stop and the universe could be began to contract. And this could mean either the end of the universe in a big bang in a reverse or an endless series of expansion and contraction. The possible final to a contraction universe when all the galaxy smashed together is known as a big crunch. Then here then we should learn about what is the solar system. Solar system. Our solar system consists of the sun and its gravitationally bound system, which includes the 9 known planets, but now it's become a 8. The satellites, the asteroids, the comets, and the interplanetary dust. It is believed that the solar system was formed around 4 to 6,000 million years ago. Then we should learn about the sun. This is the sun. Sun, it is a only source of energy in the solar system. It derives its energy from a nuclear reaction in its core. It is the closest star to the Earth, about 149.6 million kilometer. It takes the sun rays 8 minutes to reach the Earth, traveling at the speed around the 3 lakh kilometer per second. Our sun is almost halfway through its expected life cycle and is about 5,000 million years old. Then we will discuss about the first planet which near the sun, that is called as a Mercury. This is a Mercury. It is a planet closest to the sun. Average distance of 57.9 million kilometer. 57.9 million kilometer. Mercury revolves around the Sun in 88 days and rotates around its own axis in about 58 to 65 days. Its surface is covered with a craters due to the impact of the meteorites. This is the surface. This is the whole surface. Then the second planet is called as a Venus. This is a Venus. Venus. Here the second planet from the Sun, average distance of 108.2 kilometers, million kilometers. It's a bright planet in the night sky and hence it often referred to as the morning or evening star. Venus rotates around the own axis in a 245 days in a clockwise direction, which is here this is a clockwise direction. Okay, which is the contrary to direction of the spin of the other planet and it's revolving around the Sun 224.7 days in size and density. Venus is a very similar to the Earth, but it has a very dense atmosphere which creates a greenhouse effect that maintains high surface temperature of nearly 460 degrees centigrade. Here it contains a green, it become a green house effect. It means here the CO2 is become high. Then we will go to the next a beautiful planet that is called an Earth. It is the third planet from the Sun, Earth. Just you see, Earth. The Moon is a one natural satellite. The Earth revolves around the Sun in 365.26 days and rotate about its own axis 23 hours and 56 minutes and 4 seconds. The Earth is unique in a solar system, as it is the only planet able to support a life which believed to existing from around 3.5 million years ago. Here the life will be seen only on the Earth. This is Earth. Then we'll go to the next planet, there is a Mars. Mars. It is a outermost of the terrestrial type planet. That means Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars at an average distance of 227.9 million kilometers from the Sun. It is named after a Roman god of war because its red color as seen from the Earth reminded people of the blood. Mars rotates about its own axis in 24 hours, 37 minutes and 22 seconds and revolving around the Sun in around 687 days. The Phobos and Deimos are two natural satellites. There has been a lot of interest and speculation about the existence of the life on Mars, but test and soil analysis from various probes reveal no organic matter. Then we'll go to Jupiter. Which is Jupiter. It is the largest planet in our solar system. Equatorial diameter 1,42,880 km and polar diameter 1,33,540 km. Jupiter is named after a king of Roman god. It rotates around its axis very fast. When it means one revolution in 9 hours, 50 minutes and 30 seconds, which cause it to be a greatly flattened at the poles. Jupiter is at an average distance of 778.3 million kilometers from the Sun and revolving around it in a 4,332.62 days. Around 12 years, the Jovian moon number at least 16. Then we will go to a next planet, that is Saturn. Saturn, first seen by the Galileo in a 1610, Saturn is at a mean distance of about 1426.97 million kilometers from the Sun and is the last of the planets visible to the naked eye. It is a noble for its ring system, which can be seen with a small telescope. Saturn takes 10,759.6 days to revolving around the Sun and it rotates about its own axis in 10 hours and 40 minutes. A Titan is a largest of the 18 known moon of Saturn. Then we will go to Uranus. Uranus. It is the seventh planet from the Sun and Williams Herschel first discovered in 1781. Uranus is at about a mean distance of 2,870.99 million kilometers from the Sun and revolving around its in 84.01 years. Not days, it's years. It rotates about its own axis in 17.2 hours. It has at least 11 ring and 15 known moons. The 5 major moons of Saturn are Miranda, Ariel, Umbrella, Titania, and Oberon. Then we will go to a next planet, that is Neptune. Just you see, this is the Neptune. It is discovered in 1846. It is the outermost of the 4 gas giant planets. Means, the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It has a rotation period of 18 hours and 26 minutes and its orbits around the Sun it is 164.8 years. Saturn is at an average distance of 4,497.07 million kilometers from the Sun. It has 8 known moons and its principal moon is called as a Triton. This is our a beautiful solar system. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind.